here with my bro Jake.
Snow drivers. Tyres road truckers.
Yeah.
Feel that?
Yeah, I felt it. I felt it.
Tiniest.
The first one. Fresh snow. Beautiful.
No!
Welcome to the first snow for the year. I brought that because I asked for that.
Here's your latest weather update from the Met Office. Things are set to turn unsettled once again with the winds across the UK during the week ahead, and up towards the northeast, a few wintry showers still. As that rain pushes into colder air, it could well start to turn to snow, particularly across hills north of the central belt later on this afternoon.
When's the last time it snowed like this?
Last season.
Monday, 1:29 p.m. Whoa!
It was worse than this. There was like snowmen. So.
We are caught in a snowstorm. And all I can do is laugh.
This is pretty.
Road conditions are proven to be challenging. Jake is worried the car won't make it up the slippery hill. So we're skidding, we're not moving.
We're not moving.
We're not moving. But we're staying safe.
I'm trying to.
The icy roads allow little to no traction. And we got a little bit.
A little bit. Come on, boy.
Yeah, let's go. Tyres struggle to maintain a steady course.
Rear-wheel drive. All trying to give us summer tyres. Don't worry.
Remember, if you're going up and going down, it's a whole different thing.
Yeah, and we're going down the other side.
Yeah.
That is my worry.
So you think we should push it?
Oh, I'm not pushing it now.
Jake decides to allow other vehicles to lead the way with the hopes that they will make the road easier to traverse. Come on. You can hear the engine revving, but we aren't moving because the tires are skidding on the ice. No traction, yeah.
So bad.
I'm gonna film it because you know why? 5 years from now we're gonna be watching this video. The camera is foggy on the inside
Not
now.
have a crash.
Snail speed.
Oh, I'm going snail speed, don't you worry about that.
Oh man, what a day. Needing more traction, Jake uses the technique again, allowing the vehicles in the back to go ahead of us.
I want to follow the tracks.
Yeah.
Need more cars.
Realizing I need to switch cameras, I consider the option to retrieve the other camera which I placed in a trunk, or as some would say, the boot. I'm gonna get the other camera in the back.
What?
I'll get the other camera in the back. I know it's not a good time, but gotta capture this, man. Alright, got a second camera. Alright, back in
You need the wheels to turn on the snow to run the grit into the snow to melt the ice. That's just where we were on a slope going that way. That's gravity.
Yep, this is foggy, so I switch cameras. Document is like
already hot.
Oh, hot and nervous. Need one of them Yellowstone trucks.
Dodge Ram, twin rear axle.
Oh.
The car behind us could have easily had a crash, whatever car it is, because you're going downhill. Anytime you touch the brake, you're a passenger.
Yeah.
Well, you just got to go for it. On the way down, you don't stop. You just you drive to where you want to go.
Touch some brakes and that's it. It's a wrap.
Brakes are not good. I think we turn around.
That's what these guys are doing.
Go for it. Try. Come on, mate. Sweat one out. That came past us.
Alright, we're going downhill.
We're trying. Or we go to the pub.
Gonna bust up, chill and chill. In the snow.
Definitely get chilled. Could wait it out. Oh, originally we were the first one.
Yeah. Whatever is safer.
Sure.
So far so good.
So far so good.
So good so far.
That's what Will's meant.
Are you feeling confident or not really?
What about getting up the other side?
Yeah.
Let's see how the track. We'll see what the. We only didn't make that.
Just sit in my head.
Hold it at 3,000 and just steady
I
acceleration.
feel for this guy though. Two wheels.
I want you in front of me.
Yeah. Clean that road.
Put some down. Let me go in your tracks.
At least we got brakes.
Got brakes. Just haven't got go. Obviously all cars are the same on the brakes. We've got 4 brakes, 4 wheels. It's the power. 4 cars is going to the back. There's no weight.
There's no one in the back.
We've got wider tyres, no weight, automatic gearbox. All the things you don't want
On this type of road conditions.
in bad conditions. Like you want a bag of potatoes in the back, more than one bag of potatoes.
A bag of cement.
Bag of cement, sand. Sand would be good because then if you got stuck, you can put it down.
Right.
I got stuck in 7H once and walked home. It was like this, like I came down this way and I couldn't get over the bridge at the bottom.
So you think you're gonna have a repeat?
Hopefully not, because there's a decent amount of traffic. And that is the more traffic, as long as it's moving, the better. Look at the road compared to the road we just got all the time. I'm hopeful.
So far so good.
Famous last words. Get a grab a curry, have a haircut. Hyundai.
Hyundai. Thought it was Hyundai.
I did as well, but it's not. Yeah, I got stuck here one day. But my boss didn't let me go home early. I had to work till 5, and it was like this at like 2. Oh no, maybe I did get up here because I parked at Shell. I parked in that petrol station and then walked home. So I walked all the way up to where we were, and then I walked down to A21 and hitchhiked on the A21 to Pembury, and then walked the rest from there.
What?
I got my car like 3 days later when the snow left. Yeah, it was Interesting. Much nicer way out of Seven Lakes than
Yeah, looking at the road looks a lot passable.
a lot less snowy. No accidents, that's just what we want.
That's it. No incidents
No
or
pooping.
accidents.
No pooping in the car. Old Hallie. Much nicer down this way. This is going to make it into the show reel for your trip. The snow trip.
Well, I
2024.
don't see why not.
Insta.
I don't see why not.
Come on, baby. Cooking on the gas.
Holy moly.
Like we're in a snow globe, man. don't.
Yeah, this road looks a lot better.
Big bits of snow again.
They're getting bigger. Yeah, man, that looks so beautiful.
Picturesque. So the hill we were going up, River Hill, the one where we turned around and came back this way.
Right.
We're now going down to River Head, and we're going to be turning back to go back up River Hill, but on the big road. So with trucks and lorries and more weight of traffic. So my hope is that that will be a lot more clear.
Alright. Let's see.
Let's see.
But so far, I mean,
So far, so good.
we're gonna make this turn.
Gonna make this turn. We're looking good.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Getting up to speed.
And we're gonna look up the hill and we'll see what's up.
What the
you know, I
cars
saw
look
this
like.
morning,
Yeah,
we saw it. I would assume someone's had a problem. So someone probably coming up the hill in like this car hasn't been able to keep going. Yeah, there's jackknife on it. That would be my gut feeling. Or someone going down the hill has put their foot on the brake and gone sideways. And they haven't had an accident, but they're almost like too scared to move now.
I'm not moving.
Quite lively up that hill.
Hey. I'm just happy we were not in the front anymore.
Oh, I had to get off the front, like, because I was just getting out ridiculous. The thing with the front is, you can't have an accident into someone. Like, if you put your foot on the brake, you could, but if you've got traffic coming the other way,
yeah, you go into someone.
you could have a head-on reasonably easily. But that's where we were up there, so that's the roundabout we came off. So up that hill, but
Can't see
Can't see.
anything. Last night Jim says to me, so we're gonna have a flurry tomorrow. I was like, really? Alright, cool. So you might not see it, but it's gonna be a light flurry. I'm like, alright. I see, I'm like, Jimbo, this ain't no flurry.
McFlurry. How long did it take us to get here this morning? 20 minutes? An hour to get back. Not even home yet. Because this car's got an open differential at the back as well, so only one wheel will spin. So you lose traction on one wheel, you lose drive. Whereas the black car's got a slip diff, so both rear wheels will always spin together. So one loses traction, the other one will pick it up. Hence why this is so bad.
This truck is riding you, man.
Truck wants me for dinner. He's got a big load on there. He loses traction there. The trailer comes out and takes us out. Final destination style.
Yeah.
Lewin and Jake. Put it all on film.
Tell my mama I love her.
The slowest crash in the world. You literally have slow motion crashes. I've had one.
Yeah.
They're like tiny. I was in a car park and like both of us were going a mile an hour and both of us just kissed.
Okay.
I think I've got the mark. I think I've got the mark on it. I'll probably show you where it is.
should have got out. What are you doing? Did you see me?
She was quite happy. She was like, we're both being sensible. Like, just a thing. Like, no real damage on the car.
That's awesome.
This is kind of on this. I think it just shimmied the paint up like slightly.
Okay.
And just pushed. If it's bad overnight, I'll do the road so people can get in and out. Because a lot of the school people drop off.
Yeah.
I had to rescue like 4 or 5 cars on there.
Really?
Yeah, like just people come down and they can't get back up. Then you got like a pool of cars at the bottom. So there's someone in like a 5 Series, I was really unimpressed with them. And then someone in an electric or a hybrid Lexus. I was like, just set the car up 2,500 revs, just hold it. If you're spinning, whatever, just 2,500 revs.
Yeah.
The whole time, like I was doing.
Yeah.
Like just set it up and parade.
Yeah.
And then I was pushing from behind, so when it lost traction, I'd get it just up, and then it'd grip again and go. She just didn't have to drive and stuff at all. It's irregular weather, and a lot of because it doesn't happen very often. A lot of people just won't drive it. Because like if you were just at home and it was saying like, you know what, I'll put that on, I won't go today.
Yeah, I'll just leave it.
I'll leave it.
So far so good.
We're home.
Just made it to India.
So different. Couldn't make a snowman here, could you?
Yeah, it's like here had a flurry for sure.
He had a flurry, but Jen won't believe us when we say we almost got snowed in.
Hey, got photographic evidence. So back in the neighborhood and look, barely any ice. If you didn't look at the vehicles, you'd never know. Look at the grass over there, you can still see green.
The road.
You can see the road.
Road's black.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh, what the heck? You aiming for those things?
John Doe.
Wanna pop my stitches, boy?
He is a liability. He'll ride everywhere he shouldn't. He'll ride up the wrong way. He doesn't have a light on his bike. Well,
Yes, we made it. Hooray. That was fun.
interesting. Donuts, Lum. Let's do some donuts.